Hey guys, welcome back. And thanks for joining me for my first cook here on the Char-Griller Grand Champ, guys. I'm excited, a little nervous. Got some about a 3.5 pound rack of spare ribs inside, ready to be prepped. And full disclosure, it was supposed to be 2 full chickens that I was going to smoke on here for my first cook, and some dummy forgot to pull them out in time to thaw. I don't know who that was, but I'm gonna fire him. So, but anyway, I rushed out today and got a rack of ribs. Let's go smoke some ribs. Let's go. See how well I'm gonna do. Well, I'm here, guys. It's a beautiful little rack of ribs I picked up on a spur notice or short notice. A little bit of fat up here I'm gonna get on. I'm gonna remove that little bit of flapper meat. We're gonna smoke it too. I might sneak that when no one's looking. Beautimous. Guys, I'm not going to use a binder this time, and I'm simply just going to use some of this SPG from Grillaholics. It's their SPG plus butter. I'm really growing to love this stuff. And we'll put it on fairly liberal, not too heavy though. And that's all we're going to use. Don't forget your ends. Thing flipped over and repeat. Alright guys, once this charcoal comes up to temp, we're going to dump it and get this on the rack out there. Beautimous. Smell that butter. I think for this cook, I'm just going to remove this top rack just to get it out of the way. Alright guys, just for some easy cleanup, I'm going to place this pan right down here underneath. Dead center. I'm gonna overlap that pan a little bit, but we'll be alright. Just as a check, I'm gonna throw this right back here. First cook is underway. For some smoke, guys, I just got some pecan wood here. Ooh, it's hot. We do have smoke. Guys, we'll check back in about an hour or so. Alright, let's take our first look at this thing. Looking pretty good. We're just a little over an hour in. I'm not going to do a whole lot here. I'm just going to turn these around just for some good, even cooking. Not too bad just yet. Like what I see. I didn't use any big heavy rubs, so you're not going to have the darkness on it. I'm going to spritz this. Well, I might spritz that. There we go. This is just some apple cider vinegar and some apple juice, guys. We're holding pretty good, right at about 225 to 250. I'm very happy with that so far on the first cook. Let's close this thing down and go another hour. We'll check our charcoal. Not too shabby, guys. Let's shake some ash over here. I'll probably add some charcoal here in a little bit, but so far we're still looking pretty good and holding temps. I will add just one more piece of wood on here. We'll check back in about an hour, guys. I'm gonna pull this guy off of here, I tell you that. Looking pretty good. I'm gonna do another flip. We're a little over 2 hours in. I like what I'm seeing. Give it another spray. I'm gonna let this go a little bit longer on the smoke, and then I'm gonna wrap this thing. I like everything I'm seeing. I'm gonna let that go just a little bit longer too. We've been holding temps really good, but I'm out of larger wood chunks. So I'm gonna go with several smaller ones in here to keep the smoke going for just a little bit longer. We are 3 hours in. I'm gonna get these guys wrapped and get them back in there and let them steam up a little bit. Let's see if I can do this. It's gonna be hot. It's gonna be hot. Ready? Over. All right, thank you, baby. All right, boys. Get this back on the grill. Check back in about an hour. We're about 5 hours total in, and I just want to. I'm gonna pull these out of here. Woo. You know me, I live dangerously. Oh, tell you what, it looks amazing. I'm gonna check this. Tell you what, we got a little ways to go here. I'm gonna leave this in here, in between the bones, guys. We are not where we need to be, so I'm gonna leave it in the foil. About 170 there. And I'm going to spin it around. Just leave her where we are, guys. I expect it to be a little bit closer. It's alright. I'll add a little bit of charcoal and get our temps heated back up a little bit. Finally started dropping a little temp for the first time. I added a little charcoal because I started this cook with mostly used charcoal, so I knew I was going to have to add a little bit of charcoal, but I have added no more throughout this whole cook. 5 hours in, maybe a couple pounds, 3 pounds or so of charcoal. Not too shabby, guys. Alright guys, right on in here with this. Alright. This should get us the rest of the cook and then some. I think we're pretty close. My family's starting to get a little impatient, so I might rush this if I have to. Looks wonderful. Get a little bit of pullback. In between the bone there, big guy. Yeah, we're about 180 there. I wanted to get a little bit hotter, but I think we're close enough to satisfy my people. So I'm gonna get this off of here, let the bark and everything set back up, and we'll come out and glaze this, guys. Oop, get this over here. It's hot. It's gonna leak all over the place. There we go. Beautimous, guys, beautimous. Guys, we'll come back out in a few minutes and we'll get this thing glazed. Alright guys, this is beautiful, beautiful work here. I'm loving everything I see. I'm gonna get some glaze on this. I'm just using some G Hughes sugar-free, sweet and spicy. I love this stuff, guys. It's a little bit of just a sweetness and just a little bit of heat, but not too bad. Get on in there. I'll probably put 2 or 3 coats on this and let them set each time. And guys, I'll bring you back when we're inside. And we'll cut her up and do a taste test. I gotta get my family fed first though, guys. Alright guys. So we definitely got a smoke ring there. Definitely looks pretty juicy. I don't think it's as tender as I wanted it to be, but I did pull it slightly early. But we're definitely done. And let's get a taste of this, guys. Tell you what, definitely got a smoke ring there. Like I said, it's not as tender as I wanted, but like I said, I did pull it out a little bit early. So, all right, let's get a taste of this anyway. That is the first cook on the new Char-Griller Grand Champ. Another bite. What's sweet and sour? I love that G. Hughes sweet and sour sauce. Definitely taste the salt, pepper, garlic. God, that is so good. Not as tender as I wanted, but that's okay. That's what happens when your family gets hungry and starts growling at you and you want to hurry up, get it off there. Got the flavor, we got the smoke, got everything. Everything's good, and I'm very proud that this was my first cook on the new smoker. So guys, I got some more coming your way. Thank you so much, and we will see you on the next cooks, folks. God bless you, folks. Bye bye.